Okay, so first thing first, we have already uploaded the dataset over here. Okay, TEMU e-commerce data, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's build our first visualization, which is going to be line chart, through which we can see sales trend with seasonality. Okay, so let's click on line chart. So it will take some time to load. Okay. Yeah, so the line chart is over here. And so in x-axis, we will add order date. Okay. First, we need to add order date. Okay. And we will further have only month factor over here. We will not be having year, quarter or day. Okay. So removing year. Removing quarter. And removing day. Perfect. So only month we should have over here. Okay. And in y-axis, we are going to put sum of order value. So first of all, we need to have order value in y-axis. Yeah. Okay, order value is over there, and we will have order value over here. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see the visualization. Okay, and in legend you can add product category. Okay, product category. Yes. Perfect. Okay, and you can also add later on if you want analytics depth, in it. You can add 3-month moving average, year on year by percentage change measure, a lot of things you can use over here. Okay, and then we will also add a lot of visualization changes in this particular line chart, but that I'll do later on. Okay, so let's narrow down it a bit. Let's hide the filter column. Okay, now fastly, let's come to our bar chart. Okay, let's resize it a bit. I'll again resize it later on. Okay, now let's add bar chart. Okay, which will show us top 10 products by revenue. Okay, so let's add bar chart, stacked bar chart, or any other one. Let's see. Okay, so I've clicked on bar chart. It will load. Okay, and this bar chart will show us top 10 products by revenue. Okay, and yes, so the bar chart is loaded over here. So in the x-axis, we are going to put order value. Order value. I've already put that, and click on sum. It's already there. Perfect. And in the y-axis, we are going to put product name of the product. Okay, this one. Okay, and yeah, perfect. So as you can see over here, you can see different types of products and their order value by sum. Okay, and okay, let's now come to the other visualization, which is going to be filter map, fill map. For the most part, I think we'll use it for regional revenue share. Okay, let's click on fill map. Perfect. So this will show us regional revenue share. Okay, and no, in the location we will be adding delivery region. Okay, because we have state or country over here. Okay, so delivery region in the location. Perfect. So yeah, so this will show us delivery region. Okay. uh yes, so I think, and next we can also add a couple of other charts also, but let me first uh transmute this chart into a more appealing version of it. Okay, let's make it more appealing. So I've already got different types of pngs which are correlated with the TEMU e-commerce company. So let's add those images over here. So you can select all these images, all this visualization stuff by yourself accordingly, you know, according to your taste, what kind of visualization you want. So I've already got a few visualization over here, elements over here. You can all, create these elements by yourself online, or you can download ready-made PNGs online, which are available. Okay. So you will, improve in this aspect of visualization as the time goes by, the more you're gonna practice, you know. So as we know, the Temu e-commerce company packaging, it looks like something like this, you know. We all have seen that. So let's resize it a bit and add it over here. Let's upgrade the map. It's gonna take some time, and yes. So I think we also should change the background color from white to somewhere something like orange or neon orange. So once the map is loaded, I'll do that. So the map is still loading. It's going to take some time, I guess. It all depends for the most part on the kind of processor you guys are using. So my PC is a bit slow, so I apologize for that. Okay, and so now I think also I should add some kind of shape on the left side of the dashboard. Okay. So let's click on rectangle. Yes. Perfect. So I think I should change the color of this particular shape also to more Temu like. Yes. And I should also enlarge this particular visualization. make it a bit more large so we can see different aspects of this visualization much better. It also, I think, kind of gonna look cool. And you can also add stacked column chart. I think I should not have the regional aspects of visualization. I should remove the filter map. I think in place of that, we should have a payment chart versus quantity, which I can visualize it through stacked column chart. Okay, so this is a beginner dashboard visualization, so we will stick with only the basic things over here, okay, to get a rough idea how visualization and all these things works. Okay, so in this I will be having I think we should have in x-axis payment method, I guess. Yes, payment method. And in y-axis we should have quantity, or you can say sum of quantity, total sum of the quantity. Okay, it's already there. Okay, perfect. So I think only three visualization we will be having in this particular dashboard. The regional visualization we'll do later on in other dashboards. Okay, and so let's change the design of our visualization a bit by changing their border and background colors. In going to general, going to effects, let's click on visual border. Make it white. Make it 20 px. Make it like neon orange or other kind of orange color. Okay, and also I think we should have shadow. Yes, yes, yes. It's gonna give a more aesthetic look to the visualization. Okay. Perfect. I guess now you can see our visualization looks much cooler, much better, you know, a bit more sleeky in design, you know. Similarly, we can do this with other two visualizations also. Let's click on this. Going to visual, going to general, going to effects. Switching on visual border. (20 px) rounded corners, that would look more sleeky. And then of course switching on shadow. Okay, it's gonna take some time, I guess. I'm having some error, I guess. Just a second. Click on the orange color. Okay, perfect. Now let's check. There would be a bit visual change. Okay, it looks more sleeky, more cool, I guess, compared to the normal boxes. So let's change the third visualization too. Let's click on general. Let's click on effects. Let's click on white, I guess, switching on visual border, switching on shadow, visual border, then clicking on 20. Then clicking on neon orange or normal orange, whatever. Okay, so as you can see now, there are visual changes in the charts, and these charts look very card like, as you can see, card like user interface changes you can also experience. So I won't be doing a lot of visualization in this particular tutorial, as it's just a beginner tutorial. Okay, in later on tutorials I will be having more charts in same page. Okay, and I think I should also add a lot of couple of more uh, elements also to make this dashboard look more cool. So I've already shortlisted those pngs. This one we can add. It's uploading. These are just small elements you should add into your dashboard to make it look more cooler. So I think this one fits here. Yeah, perfect. And another image I've chosen. This one I think we can add over here. See, it kind of looks cool, right? And another image I've chosen. We can add this TEMU logo, I guess. Yeah, I guess over here in the corner we can add it. And let's enlarge this packaging box. Okay, and I think there's place for a couple of more elements. Let's check what else we could do over here. I think this mobile screenshot mockup, I think we can add over here. I think it's kind of gonna look cool. So yeah, just resize it a bit. Yes. Yeah. Perfect. That's it, I guess. And I think we should also add a couple of KPIs if you want to add. So let's see. I think we can add a product category KPI. Yeah, I think we can add that. Let's resize it a bit. Yeah. So product category. Count distinct 8. So there are total 8 product categories. So let's rename it categories. Let's resize it a bit. And I think we should also add a title to it. Make it a bit bolder. Yes. Change the color to neon orange or normal orange color. And I think font should be Arial. That's gonna look more cool. Let's do some alignment. Yes. Change the size of the text. Yes. And also I think we need to change the effect part. I think visual border should be neon orange or just plain orange. 20 px. and shadow also has to be neon orange. Let's resize the text. Yes, perfect. And I think I should add a couple of more KPIs. Let's copy it. I think order value we can add, or delivery regions. I think I should also resize it a bit. Not too much. Now copying again. And here I think we can add a delivery region, okay, or quantity of orders. Let's add quantity. Let's try that. Total quantity, okay. Yes. And let's change the title. Quantity. Perfect. And I think we can also add one more KPI. We can add delivery regions, I guess. So let's copy it. Clicking on the title. No, I think we should change the axis first. Okay, value first. Okay, removing the earlier one, and then I think we should have delivery regions over here. Clicking on count, distinct count, okay, which would tell us total number of delivery regions, which of course 4, right? Okay, now change the title again. Total regions. Perfect. Okay, so this is a very basic chart, so let me just cross check again if there's anything else we can do, any element or anything else we can add over here. This is just a very basic chart, again I'm telling you. Okay, so there are more advanced stuff which we will be doing in further tutorials. Let's realign it.